Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about the new design competition for K-Rate's website landing page. Design competition for K-Rate's website landing page. So let us see more details about the competition. So K-Rate is a joint venture of the Ministry of Railways and the Government of Karnataka. It has been created to boost rail infrastructure projects in the state of Karnataka on the principle of cooperative federalism. So the joint venture has been mandated with the critical responsibility of executing the flagship Bangalore Suburban Rail Project BSRP. Headquartered in Bangalore, K-Rate aims to become a benchmark in executing rail-related infrastructure projects in agile manner. So K-Rate website landing page competition. What is meant by a website landing page? Many of them will be having doubt that what is a website landing page. So in digital marketing, a landing page is a standalone web page created specifically for a marketing or advertising campaign. It's where visitors land after they click on a link in an email or an ads from Google, YouTube, Facebook, like many social media. The ads will be appearing through which user goes and lands in a page. So it is called as landing page. Unlike web pages, which typically have many goals and encourage exploration, landing pages are designed with a single focus or goal known as a call or action, or CTA for short. So it's the focus that makes landing pages are the best option for increasing the conversion rates of your marketing campaigns and lowering your cost of acquiring a lead or sale. So simply you can understand that a landing page. I will give the link in the description. There are many websites, and you can also search in Google what's a landing page if you don't know. So the landing page should capture the essence of K-Rate's mission to be the benchmark in creating rail-based infrastructure in the state of Karnataka. The merits of K-Rate's flagship projects of the Bangalore Suburban Rail Project should be prominently and creatively presented. It should capture the project's motto, be a smart mobility solution. So this is the motto, SMART. You can see the abbreviation they have given for SMART, SMART. So the touch and feel of the landing page should portray Bengaluru Suburban Rail Project's mission to be a game changer in terms of rural-urban connectivity and convergence of different modes of transport. It should capture the nativity of Bengaluru or Karnataka and the cooperative identity of being a joint venture of the Ministry of Railways and the Government of Karnataka. Network map of 4 proposed corridors can be seen on www.krate.in. Go and visit this website and check it more informative. So it should be presented creatively, graphically, highlighting important stations. The page should be contemporary and constructively creative, illustrated with graphics animation. If you are interested in graphics and animation and with web browsing, you are really suitable for this competition. So the prizes and the opportunity. The winning entry will be awarded 25,000 first prize, and the second prize is announced as rupees 50,000. You will get rupees 15,000 for second prize, and the third prize, the consolation prizes. Consolation is nothing but up to they will select the winners. Maybe they will give the next 3 winners or next 5 winners or next 10 winners. It is up to them. So winning entrants will be given an opportunity for full-fledged development of web page or website if they have necessarily technical credentials. The decision to engage will be at the discretion of the management of K-Rate. So if you win, you can also will get the chance of full-fledged development of the website or web page, and you will be working on the K-Rate campaign, which is a job providing thing. Let us see about the terms and conditions. Of the competition. The last date of submission is 13th November 2020. Before that, you have to submit your landing page design. So the terms and conditions. So you can see the competition is open to all Indian citizens of India only. So source files should be shared by winning entrants. Winning entries should be in PDF, HTML or JPEG format. So the winning entries are meant to be used by K-Rate, and they will use the winning entries. There are many. So Copyright Act infringement, anything is not allowed. The same terms and conditions for mainly they will say of every competitions. And the emblems, there should be not any of your watermark or emblem. You should not mention that because it is fully a new design you should also not mention your name or any symbols. There will be no notification to participants of rejected entries. So you have to update your My Government profile, which means you have to include details such as name, photo and phone number. You have to update your name, photo and phone number regularly. Entries with incomplete profiles will not be considered. Please take a note of that, because entries with incomplete profiles will not be considered. Payment to the winner will be made through electronic mode. So necessary details, getting necessary details from the winner, and they will provide the payment. Participants should upload their entry in PDF or HTML format only. You can upload either in PDF or HTML format. The winner of the competition shall be required to share the source files of the design. Participants should not imprint or watermark. As I said earlier, participants should not imprint any emblems or symbols which represent anything. So they should not do anything. Only their design should be in the digital format. As they said, PDF or in HTML. So a small description should be provided to explain the concept. A small description. Also note that this small description should not be in your entry. Then where should be? So I will say watch the video till the end. Evaluation criteria. All the entries received by KRate would be assessed by KRate selection committee. The selection committee would decide, binding all the contestants. No clarification would be issued on the participants' decisions. They will take the final decision. The KRate competition committee, selection committee, will make the final decision. Now let us see about how to submit your entry. So friends, here if you come to this page, once you finished your design and you are waiting to submit your entry, now you can see here login to participate. So click here login to participate. If you are not registered already, if you are not registered means you can see here register button. Go there and give your every details, and then you can come and log in this competition page. Hello friends, here friends you can see that I have logged in Competition World. So now we can go to the down box. You can see here a orange box appears. Do this task now. Click here, do this task now. And here is the notification box. You will receive a new notification. You can see the notification. You have successfully accepted the task design competition for KRate's website landing page. So we have successfully accepted the task, and now you can click here submit task. Here you can see add image or PDF, which means HTML. For this competition you can provide your design either in PDF or in HTML. Now you can write, as I said earlier, where to write the brief explanation about your design. Here you have to write, first you have to write your details. You can write your details. Competition, I'm just typing my name, and you can say your phone number, your email address. If you need your email address, you can say, and your phone number, your postal address, everything, and you can explain your and what your design is in 50 words. So but totally you can use up to 500 words. Don't exceed that word limit. And so friends, so this is an exciting competition for the winners. So for winners will receive, as I said earlier, 25,000 for first prize and 15,000 for second prize, and consolation prizes participants will receive 10,000. Consolation prizes will be received as 10,000. So the last date of submission is only 30th November 2020. So you can click here. I will give the below link. Share this video to your friends who are interested in creating design, who are interested in web network, who are interested in creating a web page. For example, they may be a computer student, or they may be excited in designing digital designing, digital marketing. So share with those friends. It will be a great opportunity for them to bring out their talents outside. So like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. There are more competitions still which will be uploaded soon in our channel. Also click the bell icon, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section about any competition, not only about this design competition for KRate's website landing page. Also you can ask for any competitions. So here you can ask. I will clear the doubts as soon as possible. Thank you friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.